Eva Mendez, born on November 5, 1995, in the Philippines, is a Filipino actress, model, and social media influencer. She has gained recognition for her roles in various films and television series, particularly those produced by Vivamax. Eva, a popular social media personality, has gained a significant following on TikTok and Instagram, showcasing her travels, lip-sync videos, and fashion snaps. Eva Mendez, known for her acting talents and engaging social media content, recently featured her mother in a vlog on her YouTube channel, showcasing her family life.
Po kami kinilala. Kami po kinilala namin kayo maigi. Kasi po, idol namin po kayo eh.
Hindi para sa'yo. At hindi ka parte. Kasi kami, mukhang tao. At ikaw, anong tinitingin-tingin mo? Pwede mag-washroom?
Later na lang.
Bakit hindi pa ngayon? Ako pa ang makasalanan. Sumadya na ako dito sa simbahan para magbigay ng donasyon. Tapos sasalubungin ako ng ganong pulis. Dapat siya ka. Sinabi mo sa akin na teacher mo siya. Client a day lang and strictly at 8:30 p.m. At wala nang after 11. I'm sorry. Medyo masama kasi ang reputation mo kaya I try to avoid you. That's a good one. And finger plus toothbrush? Kaya pala ang hirap kopyahin. Well, bounce na ako. Thank you and ba't maayos ka makipag-communicate kasi tatrabaho ako sa call center ng tao. Kahit wala naman silang ginagawang masama sa'yo. Di ko alam pero type ko. Oh, magkakilala kami. Nagkita kami sa terminal ng tricycle. Halo pala kami sa'yo. At pinagsabay mo.
I should fuck her in the Benz. You can say they wrong.